Hey guys, this is the Torrent. Well, actually, it's the 4x4 MON truck. It's the debut of this jumping and running video. Like, subscribe, comment, hit the notification bell. It's a beautiful day out here. It's a 1/12 scale. Check the playlist. We have it unboxing of it. So check the playlist with all the details. And I think I got it on 7.4 votes. And it says 2S. And we out here jumping. It's first time jumping. And it's all nice and clean. It's about to get dirty and bashed up, so let's see what it does. So I'm just gotta plug it up. It's not plugged up. Running off dings. So I'm gonna plug it up. Got my remote. Still wobbly? Let me look. I'll look at it in a minute. I'll look at it in a minute. Bad. Yep, I'll look at it in a minute. All right, guys. So it's on, and we'll give it a couple. Put these clips on. Let y'all see what it can do in the air and if it's durable, fun factor, all that good stuff. And go ahead, no man, switch out with the HAIBOXING truck there. Cut that one off. We'll work on that in a minute. Everything off, truck first, whatever we're gonna do that. And switch out. Make sure everything's off there. Remote off. Oh, first jump, and it's a tumble wumble. It's a flip. I gotta work on those shocks. Gotta work on those shocks with this big boy, this bad boy. Oh, another tumble wumble for the second one. It's probably the user, not the car. It's probably the user, not the car. I need to get familiar with this bad boy. Yeah.
No.
What's wrong?
The battery will come out of the thing.
Out of what thing?
Out of
Why are you taking out of that? Why are you taking that battery out? Why are you taking that battery out of that truck when we got plenty of batteries in the truck? You don't need to unplug it. We can worry about that later. Why are you worrying about unplugging it? Don't worry about unplugging it. It's off. This bad boy doesn't want to stay on his wheels. think they gotta think I'm gonna have to take off the wheelie bar, because the wheelie bar is catching. When it jumps, the wheelie bar is catching this right here, causing it to jump funny or not jump and land on his wheel. It sends it, yeah. It's the wheelie bar. It's catching it. The wheelie bar is catching the ramp into the ramp. Ay, ay, ay. Ah. Body clip. We'll keep it going. We lost the body clip, but we'll keep it going. I'm gonna land this thing for sure for you guys. We'll get a good landing for you. Nosedive. Every jump, every jump, every jump, every jump, one nosedive. Ay, ay, ay. You got the big block for that one, right?
Yeah. Stand in front of the truck when it comes towards you. I lost 2 pins and it keeps nose diving.
you have it, folks. I'm not sure why it likes to nosedive. Maybe not enough power. Maybe need to tone it up to maybe a 3S. I'm gonna check and see if it's capable of 3S and bump it up. The 2S is not strong enough to lift the nose. So yeah, I'm gonna try a couple more jumps for you guys with it and then retire it. So that's my son just pull out the wholesome truck. It's on his wheel. So yeah, like, subscribe, comment, the notification bell. We're gonna keep bashing, keep going, keep doing it. So here we go. Stay right there, Maxie.
I found that truck.
Yeah, that's what it is. It just doesn't have enough power to bring that nose up. Yeah, guys, it just have 2S is just not strong enough to bring that nose up. So I'll try it one more time for you guys and see, but it just doesn't seem to have enough power to bring that nose up. All right, well, just do it like that. That's it, guys. That's what we got. The 4x4 MON truck on 2S. No fun on 2S jumping. It just went nosedives as you saw. So we're just gonna leave it right here. Like, subscribe, comment. Check out my son jumping his wholesome 1/16 scale truck. Nice jump, nice jump. And we'll go from there. I'm gonna go grab another vehicle, 1/16 scale. This is a 1/12 scale truck, guys. Just turn it towards you and bring it up the hill. Well, like, subscribe, comment. You got to walk down. You got to walk down and find it, buddy.